If your water heater has been taking a little longer to heat water, sounds a little louder, or costs a little more each month, you're not alone. A lot of homeowners aren't sure what's actually happening inside their tank. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly what we'll check, clean, and test during our $49 water heater clean and check, so you know precisely what you're getting.
Get Eco.
Hey everyone, I'm Aaron with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, and around here, we believe that homeowners make their best decision when they're fully informed, not pressured. Your water heater is one of the hardest working appliances in your home, but also one of the most overlooked. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what's included in your $49 clean and check and help you understand whether it's the right next step for you and your water heater. So what exactly is a clean and check? Think of it as a full wellness visit for your water heater. We're checking for safety, performance, and long-term reliability. This isn't a repair appointment, and it's not about upselling anything. It's about giving you a clear picture of how your tank-style water heater is doing right now. Our technicians follow a standard checklist, and by the time we're finished, you'll know if your water heater is running the way it should, or if there's anything you may want to plan for down the road. Here's exactly what happens during the visit. Equipment inspection. We look for signs of rust, corrosion, leaks, or wear. Assess the age of the water heater and if the warranty is still valid, and ensure proper operation of the drain valve. Safety check. We verify that the temperature and pressure valve is functioning the way it should. Inspect the burner assembly, ensure proper draft of the ventilation flue pipe, and perform a carbon monoxide safety check. Sediment flush. This helps remove mineral buildup that can cause corrosion, popping noises, increase utility bills, slow down heat recovery. Anode evaluation. No guesswork. We'll know its current condition. Fuel source check. Whether it's gas or electric, will ensure proper ignition or electrical operations, and check to ensure that all gas fittings and electrical connections are in good working order. Water temperature and quality. We explain the temperature range and show how to adjust it, perform a chlorine and pH water test, and explain the results. Customer education. We make sure that you know the location of your emergency shutoff valve, and we show you exactly what we found in plain English, so you know what's working well and what needs attention in the future. No surprises. No hidden add-ons, just thorough, honest evaluation. Our clean and check is a great fit for you if it's been more than a year since your last service, you're hearing rumbling or popping sounds, your water heater seems inconsistent or slower than usual to reheat, you want to extend the life of your current water heater, you're looking to avoid unexpected breakdowns, you own and reside in a single-family home, it might not be the right fit if your water heater is actively leaking, you have no hot water at all, your unit is older and showing signs of failure, you have a tankless water heater. In those cases, a repair visit or a replacement consultation is usually the smarter next step. Regular maintenance helps reduce mineral buildup, keeps your water heater operating efficiently, and can extend the life of your system. For a lot of homeowners, this simple visit ends up preventing major issues long before they turn into expensive repairs. Bottom line, staying proactive saves both stress and money. If you're ready to schedule your $49 water heater clean and check, get on the schedule today by giving us a call or visiting our website. If you're still not sure whether you need this service, I could say something witty like, when in doubt, check it out. But I'm not going to this time. Just let us know when you are ready. We'll come through for you when you need us to. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me today. If you want more straightforward, no-nonsense home maintenance tips, go ahead and check out the other videos on our channel or visit our website, geteco.com. Also, if you like what you see, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.